Well, that seems like we're too fast to be doing this. I don't think I have this set up quite right because I can see all these kind of weird windows. But that's okay. I'll do a quick vision for you, or a quick rundown for you. I'm going to be able to look at this one, and I wonder if you'll be able to see that. You can. Well, now we're doing okay, I believe. Let's see that. Looks good, at least in the little vision of it. So we'll stay up here and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so this is all about, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is a fresh product out today called Scriptdio. I'm going to be testing everything. I'm testing going back to the OBS system that I used before. I'm testing using SciVid to upload to a bunch of different sites, and also to post it out to some social media sites. So we're going to test it all. You're the guinea pig. If it sucks, I'm sorry. But what you will like is world-class automated sales scripts. And it's from Andrew Darius, well-known internet marketer. Not just well-known internet marketer, one of the biggest internet marketers. So let's say mega internet marketer. So I've got my glasses on, which is probably looking weird, but I'm not even going to worry about it. That's a new look too. We'll test that out. I can see everything perfectly. So you're generating these high-impact sales scripts, and it's done. Template blocks, answer some questions, hit a button, and away you go. So let's come down a bit. We don't need to watch that. Anything turns into a high-impact sales script. You've got 210 smart template blocks. It's the same three-step process I was talking about. It's all done up on the cloud, and with free updates and the whole 9 yards. This is, by the way, I think it's $29. But you can see here, choose the kind of script, walk through some screens and go, here's your product's name, the product's price, the benefits. You're going to have to fill that stuff in. You probably cut and paste it. And then click a button and boom, you produce the sales script. Ready for you to preview and download. And you're now generating compelling sales scripts. Away you go for your sales videos, explainer videos, sales presentations, and away you go. You'll be able to sell any product or service you need. And the templates are already done for you, so you just pick the template and away you go. So that is selling scripts is what makes all this work. So I'm going to cut it short. I'm going to go bzzz down to the bottom and let you figure out. There you go, $27, one-time payment. The link's in the video description. I'm going to cut it short because it's and it's only up for the next 3 hours. Oh wow, that's 3 hours. They're just talking about the price raising in about another 3.5 hours. So I'm going to cut it short. I'm bringing myself up here and going, okay, let's stop recording. Again, links in the video description. If you're not on YouTube, come to marketingsharks.com. Today's the 17th of January. Scroll through or look for Scriptdio. So Scriptdio. There you go. Scriptdio, that's the name of it. And it will create the scripts for you for $27. You couldn't ask for anything more than that. And I will put the link in the video description. Click that or come to marketingsharks.com. Let's see how it all worked out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.